Today we are going to watch how I made this flag. And I'm gonna share with you this 3D stuff. So all you gotta do is that stick with me so that you can be able to know how I made it. So do not worry about this. Okay, so you can't even do anything there. Okay, so here is what we're gonna do next. Okay, so let's do this. I'm going to turn it over again, so just like that's all right. So here's what we're going to do. This is what we have, 3D animation software. So we are going to create something right there. Let me reduce it a little bit. Okay, here. So what we're going to do here, we are going to create something. Let me simply drop in this thing called cylinders. All right, so this is a cylinder, you can see. Let me zoom in. So, and this cylinder is what we're going to make as a pole. Okay, so right here, let me turn on grid, so we can simply reduce the side of the cylinder, just like that. Now we can increase it. Okay, just like, I think that is enough, because this is simply examples. Okay, so all we got to do right now is okay, let me increase it this a little bit. Okay, the tallness. Okay, right there. So now let's go in and bring in this plane right there. So let's zoom in. We can simply press E on our keyboard, so we can do it here in the middle. So if this is hard, we can simply click this and we can put it to 90 degree. Okay, right there. So now we have that, we have this. So let me go in and press F. You guys can see that, right? So all we gotta do right now is simply I'm gonna scale it just like that, and then do that. Okay, let me simply push it right here, and I will take it up there. I think this is too much, so if this is too much, let's press R and we are going to scale it down like that, so we can put it here. Let me go into other way. Okay, this side. I think that is enough, guys, right? So this is enough. We are going to animate this flag. It just making a flag. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna shift right click so that we can smooth it, so to have a greater effect when we are animating that. So I think I'm gonna turn it to 2, so you guys can see that right there is good. So let's go in. We can see that this is perfect, and what can we do next after this? And we are going to create something like and close. So all we gotta do is that click this, we can click that, and we goes direct into we are going to change this thing to fx like that. Now while we are still selecting this, we can simply go direct into something else. So we have to go to and close right here, and we use create and close right there. So all we gotta do right here, now I already did that, so let's simply try to do this. All right, now I think we are cool because you can see that it fall. Let me remove this. Okay, so let's do it again. Okay, now we are still. So the next move is to make sure that this flag do not fall, because we want to make it as a flag. And what we're gonna do next now is right click on this and close, I mean this polygon right there. So this polygon, we can simply go direct and goes to vertex on it. So we are going to click this vertex and let's go in there. Okay, just like that. I think you guys see that we select that, and the next move is to select this pull right here by simply holding shift key on your keyboard and then select the pull. And what we're going to do next is while we are still on FX, we goes directly into end constraint. So we do not want our flag to pull, we want it to attach it to the pole. So all we go to this point to surface right there. So now you can see this small dot right here. You can see that, right, this dot. So what we're going to do now, let me simply try to play it and we can see. Wow, now it's cool. Okay, here we have some problem. You can see that this clothes has penetrated the pool, and we do not want to do that. It has to collide with the pool. So what we can do, we can simply stop it, and then we are going to select this pool right there. Okay, and then what we're going to do next is goes directly into end close, and we are going to make it a passive collider like that. We can put that there. So let me simply try to play it and we gonna see that. Wow, this is amazing. You guys can see that. Okay, hold on here. You can see that it does not go through, right? So that you see, okay, it collides with the pool. So, but we are still, because we want, you know, flag should have some wind, okay, or making our flag look like a real flag. So, and this is what we're gonna do. So right now we have to select that, and we go direct into this place right here, and we have to go and select this thing called nucleus right there. So we have this small button right here, we call it nucleus. Let me move this thing aside. So now while we select the nucleus, what we're going to do here, we are going to simply go direct into the right side right here and looking for something called gravity. So we have a gravity right there. So let's me go down. Yeah, this is gravity right here. So let me play our flag animation. So now you can see that it falls, but it goes into maybe a different direction. So we need to change this the gravity direction right there. So what we're going to do, we're going to make sure that this is 1. Let me put it to 1. So let me do that. You see, okay, you see it goes backward or something like that, and we do not want that. It has to go to the front. Okay, so the flag has to go to the front. Still we're gonna change the wind speed later and air density, right? So what we're gonna do right here while we are playing it, we are going to change this. Let's make it 0. We do not want to do anything there. We can change this to 1. Okay, yeah, you can. Okay, I think you guys can see that. All right, now we are good. You guys can see that. So yep, but all right, can I, let me do it -1. Let me see what will happen there. Okay, so I think that's all right. Okay, that's not bad, but we are still, so we gotta work on this. We need to do something about that. So let me simply put it back to 0 maybe. Let me check it again. I got to get the correct way of doing this. So let me put this back to 1. Okay, let's see. Okay, so all right, like, so it does not move or it does not do anything, so we can simply goes back to our nucleus there. So because it does not do anything, so we can still change this status. So what we're gonna do, okay, it was because we did not do anything. Let's simply put 1, because it is simply stay in one place. And here is what we're gonna do. Let's simply play it again. Okay, all right, I think we are good, right? So okay, all we gotta do right here, let me simply go direct down here to nucleus itself again, and we are going to increase this wind speed. So let's play it. Okay, you see it goes that side. Okay, so it means that this thing will be maybe negative. Okay, let's try to see how this thing will look like. We need to know the impact of that. Okay, I think it looked nice, guys. I think so. We are still let's try to do the air density like that if we increase. So let's try to make it okay right there, and you guys can see that. Okay, we can even increase the noise, the air noises, just like that. Okay, you guys can witness that, I believe. So just try to work out on that. So try to get something that you feel like is cool. So because now if I reduce the wind speed, you can see that it does not move very well, so I can increase it like that. So now I can simply go direct into something else, like change the color of this. So let me simply change the colors to something else. So I can put it to any material. So let me simply assign new material, and I can go direct into my channel right here. So let me simply go in, and I'm about to share with you any flag that I feel like is cool. On that, I can simply go direct into any flag. Let me simply go to Google. Okay, because I want to make sure that let me put Ethiopia flag. Okay, something like that. I want to show you guys how it works, because I just want to share with you this thing. So let me click this, and I can simply save this one. Saved. Okay, because this is a direct way of learning something, so I can call it flag of Ethiopia, something like that. Let me save it. Now we are done. So the next move is going direct into this. I'm gonna select Lambert like that. So under the Lambert we are gonna see this place right here. We can call it flag. Okay, texture, whatever we can put there, just any name that we feel like. And the next move is goes direct to this place and select file. Under the file we can goes direct into image file image. So I can go direct into desktop. Okay, there. So after selecting the desktop we can look for this, the name of the image that we put there. So I don't know what name we give to it, so let me go direct into this. We can it call flag. So let me look for F. Okay, F. So I think we can have it here, FF. Let me go to, I don't know where, I either under the download or okay, let me save it again. Okay, save image. We can call it, oh, I put it somewhere else, it's not there. Okay, flag. There we can put it here, and here we can simply do that, and F, if we phrase F under this, so flag of Ethiopia, there we can open it. Okay, now right here we can activate that. Okay, so now you guys can see how this thing looks like. So let me simply try to play it and we can see okay how this thing will look like. So you guys are seeing something cooler, right? Something cool for the first time maybe. So if you're somebody who is new to my channel, please, I would like you to support me by simply subscribe to my YouTube channel. So this is what you can do, very simple step. Okay, so you can change it to any place. So now we can even change the fold. You see this fold right here by simply clicking that and go to assign new material, and then go to Lambert. We can put it to any color that we like. Now, and this is very important, by the way, when we are animating. Yes, I'm still a learner, but I have a fashion of learning things. Okay, so like that we can change the color to anything. Okay, I mean the fold, because we want to change this one right here. We want to make it then go direct. Okay, all right, so let me click that. I think this was what we did. So right click and then assign materials. If it appears, I mean we are changing the color, I mean this one we can, yep, like that. We can put it red, green, something like that, any color that we feel like is great. Okay, there. Now we can remove this. Okay, so okay, there we can play that. Okay, so I think you guys seeing that that's what I mean to show you. I can do a lot of things. Okay, so all you guys gotta do is that support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.